Hello ladies and gents, hope you're doing well. Welcome back into the channel. I'm your host today, jacobcrypobury. We're checking out Mina coin today, rank 75. I've never heard of this one, to be honest. It's the first time we looked at this on the channel, but the fact it's a top 100 coin makes me think it does deserve to be at least looked at from a technical analysis side of things, as well as just understanding what the project actually is. So this is Mina, rank 75, $608 million market cap. We can see the previous all-time high for this project has been around $6.15 before. And the market cap, the all-time high, was around 1.71 billion. So it doesn't look like it's been around for that long. Not entirely sure what it is. Crypto market today, we're getting a lot of green back in the market. Lots of layer 1 infrastructures, financial services are on the rise. As we can see, Bitcoin hovering around that 23.5k level. Ethereum is just doing really well still. One of the top performers over the last month, Ethereum. Fantastic. If you did buy that at $800, you're probably very happy with yourself right now. Guys, if you're new to the channel as well, make sure you do smash the subscribe button because I'm doing a $200 giveaway of my favorite project known as Lucky Block. So let's have a little look at what's going on for Mina. We can see Mina is building the privacy and security layer for Web3. We are the world's lightest blockchain, powered by participants. Using the zero-knowledge technology, Mina is creating the infrastructure for the secure, democratic future we all deserve. So to be honest, this is actually a really nice looking website. Like I say, I've never seen this before. I don't know what the community is like. Let's see if they have any kind of, they've got some Twitter. So we're just exploring this together, to be honest. We can see here 194k followers. We have a look at their Telegram, 43k members in Telegram, so certainly got a strong formed community. I believe they are fully legitimate, and let's see what the potential here is on the price structure side of things. So let's do some technical analysis for this project. So we can see recently, of course, the all-time high was around this higher $6 level. It was slightly different on coin market cap, but really we've seen such a big pump for this project within this bear phase. We're sitting on the weekly time frame here. We had this lovely ascending channel, didn't we? And this is why we've seen this really big impulse up 77% from the bottom over here for this Mina project. So I'm looking at seeing a bit of continuation here. Maybe we did break out to the upside, which is really nice. We broke through our resistance here on the ascending channel. We're getting those classic swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, all the way up to the resistance. We get the swing low again, and we finally busted through the resistance at 0.88. So now we're getting that continuation to the upside. You can see we already had a retest onto the support. As you see, we touched down multiple times here, so we've retested 0.89 as support now a few times, and the real tricky part is just getting through the 0.79, and once we do break through that, because we've got three big swings really, as you can see, we get that swing high, we've got that swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, almost like a double bottom reversal pattern. We do need to see that breakout to the upside here, bit of a double bottom. Do you see that right there? I'm going to show you as we get the swing low onto the support. Like this, we get a swing high to the neckline, the swing low to the support. Now this is the neckline that we need to actually break, aka the resistance. If we can come through the 0.98 level, we should see a bit of continuation to the upside here. So 2 hour time frame, we're above the 20-day EMA on the 1 hour. Let's check out what's going on too. Huge bullish candle right here on the hourly time frame. So I do anticipate if we can break out to the upside of this double bottom on the top of this ascending channel, we should actually see a blast off through the $1 resistance level. Of course, we can still see the bearish side, which is just basically flopping back down to like 0.89, but I do think that's quite unlikely because of the amount of traction and volume this project is actually getting. If we look as well, all the way back in time, we can see this is a key area where we're just getting that sideways trading. Now, if we pull up our Fibonacci extension tool, pull it down to the swing low, you can see the first area, like the actual major level of resistance, is going to be about $1.27 here for our friend Mina coin. I do think it's one of the stronger projects at the moment. It's performing really well. If we look at the 3 months, you can see it's just been a big uptrend all the way down here from a $300 million market cap all the way up to $600 million. So we might get a bit of continuation to the upside. In terms of the markets it's on, most of the volume does come through Binance and Coinbase and Gate as well. Quite a lot's coming through on the Kraken, but either way, I'm feeling extremely excited to see what could happen for this project here, Mina. Let me know in the comments if you know what Mina is. Is it one that you've invested in before? I do think this is a big area of supply and accumulation. If we can get that continuation, we will see blast up to the upside. It is worth noting as well that there's a huge amount of support around here, as we can see. big area of support along this 0.81 level, so that's also another area I'm looking out for, just in case we do actually see a retracement here, because we haven't had a major retracement from this swing low, and if we did, that would take us down to the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement zone. Quickly check the 15-minute time frame. Again, it's just a really nice big bullish green candle, and maybe we will see a bit of continuation here if we can get a bit of a bull flag. Let's see what happens. Crypto fear and greed index today sitting at 31, so we were a neutral market. We're back in fear as you saw Bitcoin lose a couple G's last time, was it just last night? And we can see that the logarithmic regression band here for the buying zones of Bitcoin is still in that dark blue region. Now, what do I think could happen for this project over the remainder of 2022? I think if we can at least get through this $1 price level, we should see a nice swing up to about this price level here, because we've got that resistance from the 12th of May 2022. So I'll be anticipating shopping between the $1 and the 122 level if we see the trajectory of Bitcoin also positive, and if we see the rest of the market get pulled up or dragged up with Bitcoin, of course things will look quite good if we can basically just see green candles all round. If Bitcoin goes back down to 17k, of course expect Mina and the rest of altcoins to maybe drop by another 50%. It could easily happen, but we've seen a lot of accumulation now for these blue chips. So guys, if you're new here, make sure you do subscribe to the channel. Like I say, $200 giveaway. Thank you so much for all the newcomers, you mean so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Oh, get into the Discord as well and the Telegram down below. Nice.